Well, I just think it was awfully nice of that bear to pitch in like that.
I'm telling you, I think the jury's on our side.
Are we doing everything right, legally?
I'm a florist.
Right. Well, I just think it was awfully nice of that bear to pitch in like that.
I'm telling you, I think the jury's on our side.
Are we doing everything right, legally?
I'm a florist.
Right.
Awfully nice, mean, very kind, friendly, or generous.
Awfully nice.
Well, it's awfully nice of you to suggest it.
Well, that's awfully nice of you.
John, it's awfully nice of you to accept my apology.
Awfully nice of you to say.
Pitch in, mean, to help or contribute effort, money, or time when a group is doing something together.
It should be a cinch if we all pitch in and get to it.
It's like living in a house with your family, you're all there, you all pitch in whenever you need to.
I just hated that I can't pitch in.
Come, let's hear your pitch in the office.
The rest of us did our best to pitch in when and where we could.
Jury, mean, a group of ordinary people, usually 12, who listen to the evidence in a court case and decide if someone is guilty or not guilty.
There's no jury in the world that could convict us.
It's for a jury to decide.
That jury is going to take one look at that girl and melt.
Jury duty. Excused.
And nobody seems to care that I was acquitted by a jury.
Legally, mean, according to the law, in a way that follows the rules of the law.
You can legally share details with a spouse.
Unless you want me to kick you off my property for the next 29 days, which legally I can do.
And I want his only daughter to look upon me as her old dad in a very real and legally binding sense.
That is all you are legally allowed to say.
It isn't legally necessary, but I thought because you're all in town and some of you are leaving soon.
Florist, mean, a person or a shop owner who sells and arranges flowers, usually for gifts, weddings, or decorations.
Caterer and florist.
Then you need to hire a photographer and a videographer, then a florist.
When you get here, walk into a florist and buy a bunch of flowers.
Lila is my florist wife.
Doug the florist.
Well, I just think it was awfully nice of that bear to pitch in like that.
I'm telling you, I think the jury's on our side.
Are we doing everything right, legally?
I'm a florist.
Right.